Hi, I'm Amanda Haas, and today I'm taking you through all the basic tools and ingredients I need for everyday cooking. Most importantly, when I get started, I always go to the same ingredients, things I use time and time again. You'll always find olive oil, pepper to freshly grind, kosher salt, and finishing salt, no matter what I'm cooking. I also make sure to have a great supply of citrus on hand, and then alliums, things like red pepper, garlic, shallots, ingredients that you can use to enhance flavors in anything from a marinade to a rub to a vinaigrette. Then when you walk into my prep space, you're always going to find a really sturdy, heavy cutting board with a big prep space. I have lots of different cutting boards, but this is my workhorse. I can do a ton of work on it all at once. Knives are really important. I love this knife, and this shape is probably the one I use more than anything. So a 6 to 8 inch chef's knife or a Santoku knife with a flat blade does all the veg and meat prep that I need. Okay, tools. I love tools, not a lot of them, just a couple, and I always use the same ones. I'm obsessed with tongs for everything. You'll always find some spatulas, some spoonulas for scraping out any bowl. I really like this flexible top so you can get everything out of a bowl when you're working. You'll always find me with a whisk because I'm always making vinaigrettes and marinades. And then this is my favorite tool for zesting citrus. Like I said, it's a microplane, and you can use it for citrus, hard cheeses, chocolate, ginger, just grating things in, and you get this really beautiful fine consistency you can't get other ways. Okay, let's talk about going outdoors to the grill. Of course, you need some basics for out there. I love this spatula, something really large, so you could use it to flip huge cuts of meat. It would actually be great for fish as well. Anything really heavy that you're cooking on the grill. I like a smaller spatula too, of course. This is great for burgers, individual chicken breasts, or even to stir and move things around when I'm cooking on sheet trays. More tongs, of course. And I love this wood handle because it doesn't get hot. So when you're working with things towards the back of the grill, this is a great tool to have. Last but not least, the pigtail. If you're not as familiar with grilling, if you're flipping bigger cuts of meat or you need to be able to grab something, this sharp little edge right there allows you to grab it, flip it over, and walk away. So these are my basic ingredients and tools that I need to be able to cook anything.